Hello again and welcome. I'm here with Nick and we're gonna do a video on the hot water heater maintenance. So this is something we do about once a year or so to make sure the hot water heater sticks around as long as possible. So step one, let's get to it. Step one, if we look at the control panel right here, it's pretty primitive. There's an on switch and an off switch. So we're going to turn this to be off. Alright, that's off. Also, while we're here, you can also set the temperature of the hot water to very hot or anywhere in between. So yeah, for now we're at about on B. That's normal for us. Okay. Also, while we're here, we're going to take this off because this is going to be an important valve for us in the future when we start to drain the hot water heater. There's a valve right here. What kind of valve is this, Nick?
I don't know.
It's a cock valve, as a matter of fact.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, that was in one of our videos in the past. Okay, so now we're ready for that. Next step is to turn off the water supply to the hot water heater. And for us to find the valve, there's a valve that we're gonna turn off. And that valve is hidden in the ceiling right here. And I'm gonna open this one up because I left a tape, a blue tape for us as a marker. So that's gonna tell us exactly where the valve is. So I'm gonna move this, hopefully without making a giant mess. This is the reason we don't do this as often as we should, because it makes a giant mess. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but there is a valve right there.
Yep. Little red one.
Yep, that's the red, that's the hot water, and here is the cold water supply, right here. This is the cold water supply for the hot water heater. So I'm gonna shut this. Hopefully. I don't want to turn this. I don't
Want me to
want
give
to
it a
put
shot?
too much force on there because if I turn it the wrong way, it'll break.
Mm-hmm.
Challenges and foibles. I'm gonna see if there's any markings to tell us and a clue. They give us a clue which way to turn this. There we go. There it is. Magic. But I can't read them. Okay, looks like there's a 0 and a C.
Oh, open and close.
Nice. Make it the best. Alright, so C is this way. So I'm gonna make this like this. Fearless, because we know the marking is there. Okay. See that? Now the handle is perpendicular to the pipe, which means it's closed. Okay? So at this point, We have the power off, which means the gas is not going to light. So this is still full of hot water, and no more water will go into the tank. So the next step for us is to attach the hose. We have a handy hose right here. It just happens to be ready to go. And we're gonna attach this handy dandy garden hose to this fitting right here. Remember this one from step one.
What kind of valve does the garden hose have?
Which one?
The garden hose.
Oh, there's no valve here,
Oh.
but this is a cock valve. Just like the blue one we just shut down,
Yeah.
that's a cock valve.
I see.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make this finger tight because we don't want to have any
Leakage.
leakage of hot water all over the basement. That would suck. Right? And so now that's done, I'm gonna just take this hose and walk it out to the driveway. This hose is gonna get very hot. So steer clear. Who parked that car there? Alright, we're not gonna kill all the grass. So let's put it over here. It's a dangerous job, right? I'm gonna need a helmet for this now. Okay. Now I'm gonna get a handy dandy big screwdriver. This one.
That's the technical term.
Yeah, big one. Handy dandy big one. Okay. And right here, I'm going to apply the screwdriver to this valve here and crack it open with a counterclockwise motion. Okay? Hear that?
Yup.
All right. Now, this valve is open, and there's going to be little dribs and drabs of hot water coming out, right? But not much is going to happen, because why?
I don't know.
Because there's now a little bit of a vacuum in here
Mm-hmm.
until we get some way to vent the vacuum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run up into the kitchen, and I'm going to open up hot water, right? And it's going to make some noise as air starts to go through the pipes,
Mm-hmm.
and then eventually a lot of hot water is going to come through this.
Okay.
Right? That's the plan. That's the way it's supposed to work. Right? So sit tight. I'll be right back.
All right. Personally, I am more of a cat person than a dog person. I know it's blasphemous to say that, considering I have 2 dogs. I love them both, but I don't know. I just like cats more. They have more personality.
Action? We got action now?
I haven't heard anything yet.
How hot is this hose? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It's like, it's turned into jello.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So this is a great opportunity to.
Get all the kinks out.
Yeah. Wow, this is hot. Watch out for the car.
It just really sneaks up on you.
See that?
Oh, let's move the hose. Just
Steam.
where do
Let's go uphill a little bit
okay.
so you don't kill the grass.
Yeah.
And then we can.
Where do you want this?
Yeah, it's good right there. The ground will cool off
The water.
the water. Yeah. So that's how we do that.
All right.
And then I love those glasses.
Yeah.
I really do. So yeah, why don't we shut this one down and then we'll give the water to drain all the way, and then we'll do version 2 of this video to undo all the stuff we did. Okay. Notice before we go too much farther, this water's clean. I don't know if you can tell, it's clean. So that makes me wonder if it's really necessary for me to do this. We're supposed to get all the junk out of the.
How long has it been? It's been like 2 years?
Yeah, 2-3 years at least. Don't tell Ann. Supposed to do this every year. Anyway,
Well, yeah, I hope we don't upload this to a publicly,
yeah,
to a public website
yeah,
that anyone can watch this video at.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. We won't do that.
Yeah. This is purely hypothetical.
Yeah. So clean water's coming out of here, which is kind of a disappointment, but it's also reassuring. So we'll call that a win.
Yeah.
All right. Until next time. Bye.